Hello and welcome to my tutorial on a website called keepmeout.com. So keepmeout.com is a resource that students and teachers and adults and pretty much everybody could use because we're so overconnected and distracted in today's world with the use of technology. Students specifically need a way to be responsible when working or studying, so KeepMeOut.com offers a simple way to limit one's time on any website. You just enter the URL for the website you frequently visit, you select your desired time limit, and you save their bookmark. That's it. And so the goal with this is to teach responsibility and time management when doing one's schoolwork or any work at all for that matter. It doesn't obviously translate to our cell phones, which might be a problem, but my intended audience is anyone who knows they're distracted by any number of websites or social media, and this can help us out in that regard. Students, ISTE standard Students 2.b 2017, where students engage in positive behavior when using technology, is addressed here. And then also ISTE Educator 3.c 2017, mentor students in safe, legal, and ethical practices with digital tools. So let me show you a tutorial on how to use this. So I don't have a Facebook account, so I'm going to use Instagram. I want to limit myself from visiting that for 45 minutes. So I'm going to hit submit, and I can drag this right up here to my toolbar, and it puts it right here where my mouse is circling. I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to change the name of our link to Instagram. So that's where Instagram would be, and there we are. So if I click that, oh no, I've already visited less than 45 minutes ago. I can come back in 44 minutes and 26 seconds. So there we are. Average daily hits gives you a past month's history, much like your usage meter on some of the new iPhones. Tells you how often you're on different things. So a way to keep yourself honest, a way for students to be less distracted when working on schoolwork on the computer. And that is my tutorial on keepmeout.com.